Now, for the other part of it, counting from the numbers 11 to 20, or from the numbers 11 to 100, is very simple. You just say 10 and 1, 10 and 2, 10 and 3, 10 and 4, 10 and 9, then you get to 20. And what is more interesting, why I say it is easier to learn the Igbo numbers, is when you get to 20, unlike the English where you have 20 and you have 30, you have 40, you have to learn these individual words for 20, 30, 40, 50 and the rest of them. In Igbo you don't have to. Once you know your 1 to 10, it's easy to count up to 100. What is 20? 20 is 10, 2. You just say 10 and you say 2. You see, what is 30? 30 is 10, 3. 40 is 10, 4. 50 is 10, 5. So if you know your number 1 to 10, you can count from 1 to 100 in Igbo. So let's do 20 in Igbo to 100 or 90. So 10, iri. 20, iri abụọ. 30, iri atọ. 40, iri anọ. 50, iri ise. 60, iri isii. 70, iri asaa. 80, iri asatọ. 90, iri itoolu. And 100, someone say iri iri. Smart, nice, good, but not iri iri. Now 100 has a name, and the name for 100 is Nari. Nari is the name for 100. And the other place where you also find a name that you need to learn is 1000. 1000 has a name, and the name for 1000 is Puku. So it is very easy to count. The way you count 1 to 10, the only things you need to learn is how to say otu, abo, ato, ano, ise, isi, asa, asato, itolu, iri. Then you learn how to say nari, and you learn how to say puku. Once you learn that, you can count from 1 to 100. Let's not get to millions, so let's just get to the hundreds of thousands and be comfortable around there. We'll learn millions and the rest of them. Million is even easy. Million is nde. Nde. But I don't get complicated. Don't complicate it. Just get your 1 to 10, get your 10 to 100, get your 100 to 1000, and then get your 1000 to 1 million. I've already mentioned 1 million, so let's hit 1 million. So get your 1000 to 1 million, which is nde. Now we've learned how to say 10 and 1, 10 and 2. That is iri na abo, iri na to, 10 and 2, 10 and 3. If you want to do it for say 50, what it's going to sound like is iri ise. Remember, 5 is ise, 10 is iri. So 10, 5 is iri ise, 10, 5 iri ise, 10, 6 is what? Iri isi. When you get to 99, how do you count 99? You say iri itolu. Remember, iri for 10, itolu for 9. So there are 9 tens. That is 90. Iri itolu. And remember we said 19 is irina. We have to put and. That is 10 and 9. So 99 will be what? Iri itolu na itolu. Because 9 is itolu. 90 is iri itolu. 10, 9. Iri itolu. Itolu is 9. So 10, 9. Iri itolu. And 9 is 10, 9 and 9. So iri itolu ni itolu. So if you have it 97, it will be 10, 9 and 7. Iri itolu na sa. 10, 9 and 3. Iri itolu na ato. And 10, 9 is 90. That's how the Igbos say 90. 10, 8 is how the Igbos say 80. 10, 5 is how the Igbos say 50. 10, 2 is how the Igbos say 20. Although 20 has a name which is not exactly so used. It's only used if you're just going to talk 20. We don't use it in 21, 22, 23. If you're just going to talk 20, you just say Ogun. Ogun. Ogun is 20. Ogun. But it's you may just leave it. You just know it for knowing sake. No knowledge is a waste. But just know your 10 to I don't want to get things complicated. And you say, I don't want to get things complicated. Is there something else you're not teaching us that is part of this? No, everything now is on the table. I've played all the cards with Ogu. When I brought Ogu into the equation, I've played all the cards. So everything you need to know about Igbo numbers from 1 to 1 million has been given to you. So how do you say, okay, you told us how to count up to 100. So Iri, Itolu, Itolu is 99. After 99, you get Nari. So how do you move from Nari to, so what is 101 is Otu Nari na Otu. That is 101. Otu Nari na, and is na. So Otu Nari, one, Otu is 1, Otu Nari, 101. So 102, 103, Otu Nari na Abo, Otu Nari na Atọ, Otu Nari na Anọ, Otu Nari na Iri. Otu Nari na Iri na Abo is 112. So Otu Nari na Iri, Otu Nari 100 na Iri and 10 na Abo and 2. Remember how the Igbos said 12? The Igbos said 12 by saying Iri na Abo. They say it by saying 10 and 2. So even when you get to 100, you still follow the same pattern. 110 and 2. What of 199 is 109 and 90 and 9. 190 and 9, which if we say literally the way the Igbo say it, that would be 110 9 and 9. So it will be Otu Nari na Iri Itolu na Itolu. Then after that, what do you get? You don't get Abo Nari.